This is the tree that we got, but it is a bit too big. So Noel is going to have to lob a bit off the top, and then we're going to put it over there in the corner. I'm pointing, but you can't actually see me pointing, but in the corner. Noel's decided to chop it off with a bread knife, so that'll be nice and blunt now. Do you need a hand? So we've got it in the base and we're about to open up the netting. Yeah, I know.
It's the same thing. They're dirty, vicious, and the one birds.
Is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together.
So we have the tree up now. The first thing we need to do is to put the lights on. That's quite a boring bit, I think. So we'll stick them on and then I'll put the camera back on when I'm decorating it. Oh, look at the pretty lights. So I'm just going to sort through the decorations now and then I'll stick them on the tree. So I have now just sorted out all the decorations. So this is them obviously on the floor, but I've put them into kind of order, colour order and order of what ones they are. There's obviously a lot of baubles. I quite like a lot of baubles on the tree. So that's kind of what we're going for. And then, yeah, I'm just going to stick them on the tree.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say.
So there we go, there's the house all nicely decorated for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.